and it's pretty much done. So we have an extension, what we wanted, which helps you collect contact information from the web. It can be any website, it doesn't matter if it's LinkedIn, if it's Facebook, if it's Twitter, if it's Instagram, Google Maps, any random website, it doesn't matter, because you just need to select the text which contains the contact information you want, right click, and then open the extension, and data will be parsed. If it finds emails and stuff like that, it will be automatically added in these fields, but in this case we don't have this on this page. We need to click on this contact, and let's see that. No, it doesn't have an email. Okay, so we can proceed to save it as is. But first, let me clean the database because I have some data there. Delete, move to trash, and then start the server again. Go run main.go, and if I go here again, this data remained as is because I didn't do any changes on the Chrome extension. So okay, and yeah, I think I can save it. Let's save it, and we can view the saved information here. We can also add some filters by column and type here the value, and all these values will be filtered. We can also export data to CSV and use another tool for managing this data. We can also import data from CSV. All you need to do is to, let me just do an export. Database was exported because it has just one contact. It took very little time. So we have here the exports folder, which will be next to the executable, and here is the Excel file, the CSV file. So we can change that and add it back here or modify it in place. And then if we click on import, it will import that data in the database. What else we have? Let's see. So for this contact, I didn't find too much information. We can click on it and see it and modify it if needed. When we are on the page where we where we gathered information before, this form will be automatically filled. So that's super nice, because you know that, hey, this contact is in the database. Okay, let's go and search for someone who has an email. Cool. Let's select, right click, and then if we go here, we have the information extracted. Here it extracted the text we selected. Yeah, this will be saved into database, and the email, it's not on this page, but we'll see how we can get it. Add contact, data was saved. If I go here, I can copy the email as well, and here if I don't have anything, I can go, let's say that I found the email a bit later, or through other methods. I can search for it here, click, and it will take me to that page. And if I go here, it will have the form with all the data, and add contact. And now if we go again here, you will see that the email was saved. We can switch between these to update contacts or change statuses of some contacts. For example, if I contact this person, I can change its status to contacted. Let's see how it works on, we saw on LinkedIn how it works. Let's see on Facebook. This is dental cabinet. Let's see if we have it in the database. If the previous data remains here, but we can do this clear form. So if we refresh it, we can refresh, and only refresh, the Chrome extension checks if this website is saved in the database, and if it's not, we will have an empty form here. Let's copy the contact information. I right click it on it. We can see this small info, and the information was extracted. So name, email, phone. We can add the status if we want. By default, if we don't fill any status, will be new. Mentions, if we want to mention something, dentist, the type of business or some special mentions we need to add, and then add contact. And if we go here, we can see it was saved, and we can filter it super nicely and click on it on a later date and contact it. For example, here, let's see, does it have a website? It looks like it has a website. Cool. Passion starts with a smile. Not sure how relevant is this picture for a dental office, but we should see some teeth, at least on this image, not ballet. But anyway, let's say if I have, hey, I saw that your website wasn't updated for some time. What do you think? Can we collaborate and see if we can improve it? And we can send messages like that. And if I send the message, let's refresh it, so this one will be filled. So if I refresh it, yeah, and here I can, for example, let's say if I send a message here, and I can do this update instantly here. Contacted, and save it. And here we have the status saved as well. Cool. Let's see on a random website. So this is a random website. I just opened it. Let's see if I go here, copy all this, bam, I have this data. If the program cannot extract data, we can just extend this a little bit and look for the name of the business, email, and if these phone numbers are not correct, we can change them, add a new status, so mention something, and then add to contact. Let's see on Twitter, but let's see if I do X, I'm redirected to Twitter. Anyway, if I go here, let's say if the user has some contact information there, but in this case we don't have, we extracted the name, yeah, the email, it's not available, phone not available, status will be by default new if you don't complete it, add contact, and yeah, of course we can view it. If I click on it, it will redirect me on the page we got that data. Let's see on threads if it works. It will work on every website where you just select some text and you got it here. So again, no email, no nothing. We can message Simon directly, probably from threads, not sure. Add contact. Yeah, it's super easy to use. Let's see on Instagram, the same. Select the text, right click, and it will save that data. Add contact. The data will not allow any duplicates on the URL side, so that's pretty nice. And on a random business, let's pick another one, so you can see it's random, it's not something I registered, doesn't matter. So this one, not sure if this number is valid. Looks like a very short number. If it's valid, let's see. Right click, go here, and it will extract the name. If we don't have the number there, we can just go and take it. I can copy this and put it here. Yeah, and add contact. So if I go here, let's say I'm in the mood to contact someone, I can filter it by status or name or any other value from this column. Auto, yeah, I click on it and it will take me on the page on which I took that information. Cool. That is how it works. It's a very simple Chrome extension with a server that runs locally. Let's see what are the alternatives to that, because I saw something that could be helpful. Let's see. So I need contact information. Yeah, so these are the extensions. Most of them are subscription based. So if I go here, let's open it in another tab. Most of them are just for LinkedIn or very specific to some tools, and they have either a connected subscription. So if I go here, signal higher, find valid email addresses and phone numbers. If you go on pricing, 0 per month for 5 credits, so you are limited to that. With this extension you are unlimited. You cannot handle more than this can do, because you have locally a SQL database, so it's not limited by like some Chrome extensions with Google Sheets, where you have a limit of 1 million rows. So that's a limitation, plus the speed which comes with interacting with Google Sheets. So this is faster and better. Basically we have the web server in Golang, one of the fastest language in the market, and that will handle everything. So this is a one-time pay, use forever type of deal. It's not subscription based. So like here, 39 per month with for unlimited users, emails only. So you have a limit here by default. You cannot take phone numbers, so that's a bummer. Cool. Let's see another extension. Lusha. Here, easily find B2B connections. Same here. You can use it for that. You can use it for finding candidates. You can use it to find leads, potential clients, as a freelancer or as a small business or business, of course. Let's say here 300k users, and probably is a B2B stuff with. So instead of saving data locally, you save it on a server on which you pay some monthly subscription. Let's see, 0 per month, okay, and you are limited to with a plan of free. You are limited, of course, just to test it, 50 emails and 5 phones. With a 36 user per user per month, you are unlimited, I think. And the phones are for 80. Probably they verify the emails and phones, but the most easy way to validate an email or a phone is just to send an email, because those options are pretty flaky and pretty expensive. So 36. The other one was 39. This one is 36 for the Pro plan, and for the premium plan, $59 per month. Prospecting bulk show, 25 contacts. Oh, unlimited 24. You see, you have a limit here of 24k per year per user for the phones or emails. Unlimited emails. Okay. Phone to. Okay. Oh, unlimited emails, but you see here it has a 24k per year per user, so it's not unlimited. It's 24k. Let's see another one. Find email by contact code. So until now we saw only subscription based stuff. Email finder by contact out. I like the logo, it's pretty nice. So this one is for just for LinkedIn or for other stuff. I think when you are on a website, it tries to look for the domain and the emails connected to it. That's pretty interesting. I may add this feature. I think this one is connected to already saved database. So if that contact, if you are on a website, let's say, and click on this extension in the backend, I guess, I do not for sure, probably it's not like that. In the database, it will look for that domain and fetch all the emails related to it. Let's see, contact out. This one, how much is per month? From pricing, $79 per month. This is pretty expensive, isn't it? And only for 6k work emails per year. So you are limited to this. The other one was more advantageous, let's say. Contact out. I like this web page. Super nice. Let's add it to inspiration. I like the header here. Super nice. Yeah, so you are limited with this one because it cannot check. You either cannot save, you can save only 6k emails, or you can just verify but you are unlimited. I don't know. And build monthly, you have a 99 bucks, so it's pretty expensive. How much user did they have? 300k users. Damn. Hey, if you are a user of this, check out my extension. It's cheaper. Not sure how to price this. Should it be? Of course, it's a one-time pay, forever use. But how? I think it should be around. Let's see more prices and make an average. Basically, you pay as you pay for this options, but only for 1 month, and you get unlimited usage with this. Sales fuel. Okay, find B2B context. How does it work? They are all targeted to LinkedIn, so you'd better use just LinkedIn Sales Navigator if you are only on LinkedIn. And if you go here, okay, this one says it's free. Contact number, okay, gets that in a single click. 0 comments, 1 subscriber. Let's see how it works. Go on LinkedIn, okay, save contact, and where do you see that contact? So it's still in the yeah, interesting. Not sure, is it free or not? Let's see. Let's get this. Allow. Can read and change all data on all our websites. Cancel. Not sure, because when something is free, you need to make sure you don't give too much access. Let's see. If I go on Chrome, there I don't have any stuff. Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension. Let's see. Sales funnel, and it takes me to LinkedIn. Okay, and what it does here, tells me to sign in, to create an account and stuff like that. No, I don't want to do that, so I will extract it. So it's just this is just for LinkedIn. Remove from Chrome. Remove. Yeah, this is just for LinkedIn, and probably they are not sure how they make this free, but looks good, looks interesting. Yeah, if you are on LinkedIn, this may be a solution. Although I don't know why they need a login. Maybe they save the data on some server, and then you basically work for them in some way, because that's data probably it's saved on a database, and that database it's used to sell contact information to other parties, like you have with Apollo, no, sales, this one. So like we have with this one, basically this is just a huge database. You have you have a big table with a lot of filters, and this probably, I guess, I don't know, all the data it's saved on the server, and that server with the database, that's how they use it to make money. Basically you gather information for them, something like that. This one is just on your PC, nothing goes anywhere, so that's something to consider, because it's privacy at 100%. Let's see another one. Nasdaq. Let's see. Contact information finder. Yeah, cool. And it's limited to Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Let's see. Yep, find anyone. Cool. And where that data is saved, because on the browser data is limited. If it's on the server, then you are gathering for information for someone else to sell. Yeah, I don't know, but it's pretty nice, looks good. Let's get B2B contact details. Same with LinkedIn. So we saw how we can get data from LinkedIn, so it's not a big deal. Plus, if they don't update the Chrome extension, since on each build, for example, if LinkedIn releases a new version of LinkedIn, yeah, they have, let's say, inspect. Here, all these classes may change if they are used to select name or something like that. For example, here, if you go here, inspect, let's say if they do it like this, they just copy selector, yeah, and here they do something like this, document, query selector, and we put that CSS thing. You see here it has, I tried to do this way, but it's impossible because these IDs are changed on each render. So here we see that if I hover over this, you can see highlighted my name, yeah, here. But if I refresh, yeah, and do the same thing, come on, go on the console and do the same thing, I have nothing here because the ID was changed. This is to prevent bots from scraping data from the website. So you have to pay for LinkedIn Sales Navigator for that. Let's see another one, or we saw enough stuff. Email Finder, let's see. This one it's attached to a server or something like that. This one doesn't even work, so they are out of business or something like that. Yeah, let's see how this works. Basically, it's a React extension, with a Golang server. Here we have two pages, one a form which you can add contact information, and one where you can see and select contact information that was saved. So if I go here and click, I can see where I got that information, and if I click on the extension again, I can make updates and add mentions and stuff like that. Yeah, we can filter by new or not. No, because I have to select the column. So new, contacted, yeah, any status you may have. Let's see a little bit of code. The code is pretty simple. So this will be an executable, basically an API which listens to the Chrome extension requests and does the following: parses some data, yeah, saves that data to database using SQLX and something, yeah. And here in the Chrome extension, I've used TypeScript with CXRX or something like that. What's the name of that package which helps you create Chrome extensions super nicely? Because as you change this code, the source code, it automatically builds this dist folder, and the Chrome extension, it's automatically reloaded, so you don't need to go on the manage extensions and do reload again and again. So this is pretty nice. I didn't start it. Let's start it. Yeah, with React and Vite. This is the main pop-up. Basic stuff, nothing too complicated, because at the end of the day it's just a form with a little search. Yeah, change the status, new, yeah, Harley, name, yeah. If I go here, yeah, I just like that it works, and I had a lot of issues with it and limitations because of the Chrome extension, but now it is done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Chrome extension done. Let's see how we can price it, and probably around 37 euro should be sufficient. Pay once, use forever. Yeah, I will leave relevant links in the description, and yeah, bye bye.